It's only been a few weeks since Notion released its AI, and I already love it. Let's talk about it and see why it's better than ChatGPT. So Notion is a productivity app that most people use for brainstorming and documenting ideas. And most people use AI to get help documenting and brainstorming ideas. Because of this combination, Notion AI is an amazing addition to Notion. Suppose I'm writing a script for my upcoming video. I can ask AI to generate some title ideas within a fraction of a second. I don't have to go to a different website and type and then paste ideas back to Notion or any other app. Also, Notion has those great quick prompts that help you get things done quicker. You can highlight a text and ask it to summarize with 2 clicks. To do the same in ChatGPT, you would write down the command first and then paste the text. Another feature of Notion AI that will just crush ChatGPT is capability of remembering things. ChatGPT has this chat-based style to return and continue the conversation, but the tool is limited. It only knows the past 3000 words history, and so far I have seen it not functioning properly. This is where Notion wins because Notion AI works according to your current note, so you can write as much as you like and get help from the AI. You can move to other notes and apps and return later, and the AI will know about the page even if it has thousands of words. The next reason I like Notion AI is that I've done a few tests and I see Notion generating responses as good as ChatGPT. Sometimes even better. I told both to summarize a text and Notion did a better job. I also tried both to translate stuff into other languages and it was just as good as ChatGPT. Sure, there were some locations where ChatGPT beat Notion, but with proper commands, you can get the outcome you like. Alright, here's something you will like. While testing, I realized that Notion AI is so much faster at generating text. I'm sure this is because OpenAI has slowed ChatGPT down so paid users can get faster results. But from simple prompts to something big, Notion was always faster. While making the comparison video, I saw a difference of 1 minute on each command. It may not seem a lot, but when you rely on AI, it will drink up your time. Okay, as you know that ChatGPT Plus has been released. It costs $20. Now here's another benefit Notion users have. Notion AI costs $10 per month. Sure, ChatGPT is free, but if you're serious about AI, you won't be using the free version. Notion AI costs half and you can get this add-on without subscribing to any premium Notion plan. So I found this text that says Notion does not train AI from your prompts. They only train model when you provide feedback. ChatGPT clearly says that they may review your questions and answers given by the AI to improve systems. It's not a major problem, but if you are a privacy-centric person, Notion AI will suit you better. So those features are already better in Notion, which clearly says how improved Notion AI is. The tool is free, so you can check it out. With that being said, this is it. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think of Notion AI and take care.